Ever wondered how to travel the world without spending a fortune? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving into the top 5 budget travel hacks that'll make your globe-trotting dreams a reality. Hack number 1 is all about smart booking strategies. Knowing how to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and transportation can be a game changer. The secret lies in timing your bookings just right, making the most of travel search engines, and tapping into those exclusive discounts that are just waiting to be claimed. With a bit of planning and some clever strategies, you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Hack number 2 is for all you overpackers out there. It's time to learn the art of packing like a pro. Imagine fitting everything you need for your trip into a single carry-on. Sounds impossible, right? But with the right space-saving techniques, versatile clothing choices, and essential travel accessories, you'll be packing lighter and smarter in no time. Next up, hack number 3, exploring local gems. One of the best ways to experience a new place is to venture off the beaten path. This is where you'll find those hidden treasures that aren't in the guidebooks. So, get chatting with locals, discover unique attractions, and indulge in authentic culinary delights without maxing out your budget. Our 4th hack is all about dining on a dime. Believe it or not, you can enjoy delicious meals without spending big. It's all about knowing where to find affordable eateries, embracing the local street food culture, and keeping an eye out for happy hours and daily specials. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Finally, hack number 5, must-try free activities. That's right, free. There are incredible activities all over the world that won't cost you a cent. Think exploring stunning parks and gardens, paying a visit to museums on their free admission days, and so much more. These are the experiences that will create lasting memories without draining your travel fund. And there you have it. 5 budget travel hacks that will help you have amazing adventures without the hefty price tag. So, wave goodbye to financial stress and get ready for the travel-filled life you've always dreamed of. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more travel tips and budget-friendly advice. Welcome to our travel community, your passport to a world of savings and unforgettable experiences. Until next time, safe travels.